How to use polls and emoji slider on Instagram. Well, let me show you how it's done. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's begin with the video. So I'll go to my Instagram account and show you how to use polls first, and then we can move on with the emoji slider. So let's say I want to post a story on my account. All I have to do is either you can click a picture or you can select one from your camera roll. It's your choice, you can do it either way. And once you have something selected, all you have to do is click on the stickers icon, which is the second icon after the text one. You click on it, and over here you can see there is this thing called poll. And once you're here, all you have to do is ask a simple question. Let's say, did you like the video? Please make sure you like the video, helps out a lot. And yeah, it's a two question poll. All you have to do now is click on done, and you can even change the color of the highlight. And once you're happy with your customization, all you have to do is post it, and that's pretty much it. Your story has now been posted, and once it has been fully posted, you can see that this story is now here. All you have to do is interact with it. Since I'm the only user here, it's showing me 100% for yes. And now that I've shown you that, let's move on with the emoji slider. It is essentially the same process. All you have to do is go to your camera roll, select something. I'm going to select the same picture. And over here in the emoji section, you can, in the stickers section, you can see there is this slider emoji option. All you have to do is press on it. Here are the different emojis that you can select. And once you're happy with something, all you have to do is ask the question. And yeah, that's pretty much it. People can vote on the level of intent they have with the emoji. And once that's done, you're pretty much done. So that's it. I'll post this one as well. And then once you've posted this, I can assure you that both the stories are now being posted. Here's the poll that I showed you earlier. And after that, it's the emoji slider. That's it, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment down below on what next video we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.